Understanding column space in linear algebra. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting concept from linear algebra called column space. It's not just a math term. It's a door to understanding how systems of equations interact. So, whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about how this concept applies to real-world problems, stay tuned as we unpack everything you need to know about column space. Column space, often denoted as col. A, is a fundamental concept in linear algebra. It refers to the set of all possible linear combinations of the column vectors of a given matrix. In simpler terms, if you have a matrix A, the column space consists of all the vectors that can be obtained by scaling each column of A and adding them together. To visualize this, imagine each column of a matrix as a vector in space. The column space is then the span of these vectors. If we're looking at a 2D matrix, you can picture the column space as a line or a plane in two-dimensional space, depending on whether the vectors are linearly independent or not. Understanding the column space of a matrix is crucial for solving linear equations. It essentially tells us about the solutions that are possible for a given system. If a vector is in the column space of a matrix A, then it is possible to find a solution to the equation Ax equals B. This is incredibly important in fields like engineering, physics, and computer science. Calculating the column space involves finding the linearly independent columns of the matrix. This is typically done using techniques such as Gaussian elimination or by finding the rank of the matrix, which tells us the maximum number of independent column vectors. Let's go through a simple example. Consider the matrix A equals 1326, begin, matrix 1 and 3, 2 and 6, and matrix 1236. Here, the second column is just twice the first column. So, the column space can be represented by any scalar multiple of the first column, which would be a line through the origin in two-dimensional space. And there you have it, a walkthrough of what column space is and why it matters. Remember, column space is all about the possible outcomes when dealing with linear systems. Understanding it can illuminate the pathways to solutions in various mathematical and practical applications. I hope this video has shed some light on the column space for you. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.